Hey everybody, today I'm going to be working on an 11 by 14 canvas and I'm going to be using some really pretty colors. This one is from FolkArt and it is called Aquamarine. It's a pearl. It's very shiny. And then the next color I have is this one here, and that one is Champagne. It's also from FolkArt and it's a metallic. And then this one is also from FolkArt, and it is Antique Copper. And then the last one that I will be using is this one here, and that is from DecoArt, Americana Decor Metallics in bronze. So what I plan on doing is kind of like a double swipe. So I'm going to put my colors down, swipe up, swipe down, put another color in the middle, and just swipe up through that main color. I'm going to start with the Champagne, and I'm going to try to get it in the middle here. Hopefully that's pretty straight. All my colors are mixed with Floetrol, liquitex pouring medium, and water, a little bit of water. And then these colors and this one and then the Champagne all have 3-in-1 silicone. I think I put 3 drops in the bronze, and then I put 2 drops in this one and the Champagne, only because there's not as much. I'm gonna give you the close-up. Actually, from here, to me it looks almost like a bird, which was not actually what I was going for, but the colors turned out really pretty together. It's very shiny, of course, because there's metallics, and the aquamarine was a pearl, so, and there's a lot of the blue. And there are some cells, not much. I mean, I think they all slid off the side. There's a few in the corners and right in there, but I do like the colors. So all in all, I don't think it was a complete fail, but it wasn't what I was going for. But the sides, the sides look pretty cool. So I guess there's that. Anyway, hopefully you guys liked the outcome and like my video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.